Hi, Clinton. This is Dora. Thanks so much for chatting with me this morning. This is the video that I was talking about, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about what you might be able to pull in if you had a website. So let's just start out with a Google search. I did property maintenance in Denver, Colorado, and usually up here are ads. So down here is where we focus mainly, and this is called the map pack. And it's important because most people, when they, are searching for something, they will click on one of these three businesses because they're right here and they're easy. And, people think they must be great because, they're in the top three, which most of the time they are, don't get me wrong. So the way to get into the map pack is, first of all, to make sure that your Google business page is completely optimized and that you have a lot of citations. That will help you get here, which will bring in business for you. And then down below, these are called the organic search results. So it looks like your main competitor is Roth Property Maintenance. So that's what I'm going to pull up to show you what you might be able to get if you had a website also. So I did pull up their website just to show you what it is. It's not spectacular. It's not horrible. But if you had a website, it would be really easy to outrank this one just by having more content and more pictures and just that sort of thing. And then we're also going to look at a little bit about how the website works. So one thing that makes a difference on ranking is your backlinks. And a backlink just means somebody else has given you a shout out and they have linked from their post or page back to yours. Somebody can click on it and they would get to your website. So right now, your competitor has 32 backlinks, and I'm just going to look at them really quick here if I can. And so you can get all of these backlinks for your web page when you have one too. You just go through one by one of your top competitors and click on the link, and if it's if you can, put in your information and you can use that backlink too, especially if they have a high power, which is this DR right here. If they have a high, anything above 50 is fantastic. The ones below that do not hurt you at all. It's just that you notice a difference faster if they have a higher domain rating for their performance. And one other thing you can do that would help bring in more clients would be to make sure that you utilize your keywords. So, just property maintenance company, over 800 people look for that every month, and since they're number 19, they're only pulling in 2 every month, just a possibility, but you could pull in a lot more than that if you were able to rank in the top 5 for that keyword. Same thing for property maintenance companies, 150 people look for that every single month. And then, I don't know if you do other things, but, property maintenance companies near me is 300. So there's quite a large volume of people every month that are looking for services like what you provide. So if you were to have a website and you were to make sure you had plenty of content and keywords, you would probably pretty easily rank on that first page and be able to take in quite a bit of business that way. And then also, like I said, make sure your Google business page is optimized and completely filled out. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. I will give you a call back tomorrow and see if it was helpful at all for you. Hope you have a good night. Thanks so much.